Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Flatbridge in St. Catherine. This is the Bogwalk Arch. And this bridge has had a lot of incidents. And one question that people keep asking is, why doesn't the government put rails, guardrails on the bridge? And as you can see, there is nothing preventing a car from going over. There are no rails on the bridge. So today we're going to go through an article that talks about some safety upgrades to the bridge and talks about guardrails. Now, if this bridge had guardrails or some sort of railing on it, it would definitely make a difference. But as you can see, and we're going to go over it again, nothing. If you make one wrong turn, you're going into the Rio Cobre. And this bridge is actually the oldest bridge in Jamaica. You notice it's a single lane bridge. And it's also the most dangerous bridge in Jamaica. Dangerous. So we're going to go through an article that speaks about the safety issues with this bridge. And guys, what do you think? Do you think the government should put some rails on the bridge? I mean, the year is 2025. People can build an island in the sea. People can build a runway into the sea or into the harbor. We have some of the greatest or some of the largest contractors in the world working in Jamaica. So I think it's time some guardrails go on this bridge. I mean, if you have to dig the use pilings that go far down into the river, so be it. But with all the technology that exists today, I think this bridge should be safer. Actually, I think they should replace the bridge and build a new bridge. But the government announced some billions to build or upgrade bridges in Jamaica, and this bridge was not on it. So this bridge isn't going to be replaced anytime soon. So we have to look into making it safer. Flatbridge, located in the beautiful Bogwalk Gorge of St. Catherine, is one of Jamaica's most famous and historic road crossings. Built in the 1700s, it was originally made for horse-drawn carriages, not today's heavy traffic. The bridge is narrow, has no sidewalk, and does not have permanent safety rails, a fact that has made it both an admired landmark and a place of concern for drivers. Over the years, there have been several incidents at Flatbridge where vehicles have ended up in the Rio Cobre. These situations have led many people to ask why the government hasn't added permanent guardrails. The answer lies in a mix of engineering, environmental, and historical factors. One of the biggest challenges is flooding. The Rio Cobre can rise quickly after heavy rain, carrying logs, branches, and other debris at high speed. Permanent rails could trap this debris, increasing pressure on the bridge and possibly causing serious structural damage. Engineers have therefore been cautious about installing barriers that could put the entire bridge at risk during storms. Another factor is its cultural and historical importance. Flatbridge is one of Jamaica's oldest surviving bridges, and many heritage experts want to keep its original look and design. Adding permanent metal rails could change its appearance and affect its value as a heritage site. Instead of permanent rails, the government and local authorities have put other safety measures in place. Warning signs and rumble strips alert drivers to slow down, traffic lights control one-way movement across the bridge, and public safety measures remind motorists to take extra care when approaching the gorge. There have also been ideas for removable safety rails or even building a bypass bridge for heavier vehicles while keeping Flatbridge for higher traffic and tourism. The debate over Flatbridge safety rails is really about finding a solution that works for everyone, protecting lives, preserving history, and keeping the bridge safe from natural forces. Until the right design is found, the bridge will remain both a treasured landmark and a reminder to drive with caution. The balance between heritage preservation and modern safety is a challenge faced in many parts of the world, as Flatbridge is one of Jamaica's most striking examples of that challenge in action. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.